that should not be moving. What's going on, guys? I'm Phil from Post Defense. We're installing a couple of RotGuards today on a fence job installation. So we already drilled the holes. We installed the RotGuard on 2 of the posts. Now we got a couple of posts here where we're going to show you guys how this product is installed. It's really easy and quick, and it'll help extend the life of your posts. Let's take a look. So we want to make sure we get below the frost line. So for fence posts, we install them a minimum 3.5 feet in the ground, between 3.5 and 4 feet. Rule of thumb is you want at least 50% of what's above the ground to be below the surface, right? Installing posts in concrete gives you a really solid foundation for the fence. These posts will never move. These posts right here were installed in polyurethane foam about 3 years ago. You should not be able to move these posts like this. This post right here is already leaning at at least a 5-degree angle. It's out of level. And this is happening with all the posts that we go up to. So if you guys want your fence to last, just do it the old-fashioned way of putting it in concrete. And then with the RotGuard product, we make sure that the posts don't rot where the concrete meets the post. This way you're protected for decades and you will not have to redo your fence. Like this one here behind us that, well, it's not going to last very long.